Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to download or play eFootball and you're getting the message not available in your country, this video may help. Before we start, remember that availability restrictions exist for different reasons, and using a VPN may not be permitted under all services terms, so make sure you understand the rules before proceeding. Now let's get started. Step 1. Close eFootball and any related app stores. Step 2. Install and open your VPN app. In this example, I'm using 1111 VPN. Connect to a country where eFootball is officially available. After the VPN is connected, reopen the App Store and search Play Store for eFootball again. Check whether the game is now available for download or update. If it works, great. If not, try restarting your device and checking again. That's it for today's video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.